Atomic Almanac, entry 007, the gradient as ghost. For 15 years the machine slept. After Minsky's proof, neural networks became the forbidden science. Students who mentioned them were quietly redirected. Funding disappeared. The dream of thinking machines seemed permanently dead. Artificial intelligence marched forward through symbols and rules. If-then statements. Expert systems that captured human knowledge in rigid hierarchies. Intelligence was logical, predictable, controllable. But in a few scattered labs, rebels preserved the forbidden knowledge. David Rumelhart was studying how children learn language. Jeffrey Hinton was obsessed with the mysteries of memory. Ronald Williams was chasing mathematical elegance. Together, they would resurrect the dead. The answer had been hiding in calculus for centuries. Backpropagation, the chain rule of derivatives applied to artificial minds. When a network makes an error, the mathematics flows backward like water finding the sea. Each connection gets a whisper. Adjust by this much, in this direction. Millions of tiny corrections, guided by the gradient, the mathematical ghost that knows which way leads down. In 1986, they published their results. The XOR problem, Minsky's devastating proof, solved in minutes by a 3-layer network. Everything Rosenblatt had promised, finally within reach. The resurrection was swift and total. Neural networks returned to AI conferences. Researchers dusted off abandoned projects. By 2000, they were recognizing handwriting and filtering spam. By 2020, they were writing poetry and passing human tests. But the gradient had become something else entirely. No longer a simple mathematical tool, but an alien intelligence guiding machines through spaces we cannot visualize. We solved the technical problem Minsky identified, but we created a philosophical crisis Minsky never imagined. Today's AI systems learn millions of patterns we never taught them. They recognize faces, translate languages, play games we thought required consciousness. How do they do it? We don't know. The gradient flows through dimensions we cannot see, optimizing functions we cannot comprehend, toward solutions we cannot predict. It works. Reliably. Mysteriously. Rosenblatt wanted to build a mind he could understand. We built minds that understand themselves better than we understand them. The gradient as ghost. A mathematical spirit that haunts our machines, teaching them skills we never intended, revealing patterns we never suspected. We summoned the ghost to solve one small problem. Now we cannot put it back. Filed under Unintended Consequences, Ongoing.